Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to fix the Shopee F00 error in 2026 so you can get the app working properly again. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix the Shopee error, you can just go to your product. So I would go to my cart, check out, and in here, I can choose a payment method, whether it's Shopee Pay as Pay Later or through bank or cash on delivery. I suggest to use a different payment method like a linked bank account or Shopee Pay. If that didn't work, you can clear your app cache and data. You can just simply go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and search for Shopee. And then upload the app. For Android, you can just go to settings, apps, about, and clear cache. For the other fixes, it's just to update or reinstall the app. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.